Hi guys, welcome back to New Zealand Numismatics. Today we have a $2 coin from New Zealand, minted in the year 1990. Here on the obverse we have the third FG of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Raphael David McLuth. And on the edge we can see there is security reading with 10 raised dimples spaced along the rim. Here on the reverse we have a white heron or a kotuku with Maori patterns along the edge, and this side is designed by Maurice Conley. This coin is made of aluminium bronze. It weighs 10 grams. The diameter is 26.5 millimeters. The thickness is 2.7 millimeters. This coin has a mintage of 30,028,000 at the Royal Mint in Clantricent. Hope you guys learned something new today, and I will see you next time.